So let me just go into the learning portal now. Like I mentioned, this link will take you inside, or you'll be able to log in. This link and this same link at the top. When you click login, it will take you to this login page. It will take you to this login page. If you are using a computer, on the screen, there will be instructions on your right-hand side, on the right-hand side of the login, right-hand side of the login area, where you put your login credentials. If you are using maybe a tablet or a smartphone, these login instructions, they'll go under the login area. So when it's your first time to log in, you, as the instruction says, you are going to use your student number. Your student number as the student number at stud.bou.ac.bw. That is your username, and it's going to stay like that. It's not going to change. Username are standard like that for the learning portal. But the first time you log in, you are going to use password QWERTYUI. Those letters, when you look at your keyboard, from Q up to I on your keyboard, you'll see them, they are on a straight line like that. And that password is the default password. If it happens that you communicate us through email, you want us to reset your password, we always reset to this default password, QWERTY. Then every time when you go in after it's been resetted, it will prompt you to change that password. But there is a link underneath here, that forgotten your username or password. This, when you click it, it will take you to this page, and this page will request you to either input your username, which is your student email, or your email, which is your student email again. And it will send to that email. It won't send to your personal email. It will only detect the email that you have been registered with in the learning portal, which is the institutional email. Let me just go back here. Let me put in my password, which is QWERTY. From there, you'll click login. When you click login, it will take you here. Remember, this will be my first time logging into the system. The current password will be the same password, QWERTY. From there, you'll change your password to the one that you will not forget. And it's very, very secure. Secure will depend on you. Basically, you'll input the password. You can add numbers combined with special characters, combined with just letters or alphabets. So you can create your own password, but remember, you have to always remember your password. So I'm going to put in my password, my new password, and re-enter my new password again. From there, when I'm satisfied, I'll click Save Changes. Mostly it will pop up to say, save the login details in your device. Please don't save those your login details in the device, because you might end up using a different device while you have saved your passwords in another device. And mind you, when you save the login details, Sometimes you only input your password once, and every time when you come in, it's automated. Definitely, when it's automated, you might end up forgetting your password because you are not inputting it every time. So I'll request that don't save your credentials in that device. Treat this more as like your banking app or something like that. It's just part of security so that you are the only one who will be able to access your content. After you have done that, you go on, click continue, and it will load up. Now we are inside. You have logged in. We are on the dashboard. Before now going into to show you the courses, I want to just to show you how you can change your profile when you get in here. As you can see, my profile right now is just a default profile, but now I want to put my picture. When you click that circle, there will be a pop-up. When you click profile, it will take you to your detailed profile, and click on edit profile. When you go into edit profile, please do not change your names, do not change your email that you are going to find in there. Just go to the bottom where it says user picture, and at the bottom there is this area with this circle with an arrow in it. When you click that circle with an arrow in it, it will take you to a file picker. A file picker, basically, that's where now you'll be able to, be able to take you outside the system so that you can go browse your images. When you click browse, it will take you to wherever you have saved your content. Now I've saved my profile picture here. I'll click it, open it, and immediately after I've selected the profile picture, next to where it says browse, it will have the name of that picture that I want to upload. When you are satisfied with that, you will click upload this file, and your profile picture will be available here. From there, you'll just go down and click update profile. As you can see at the top, my profile picture has changed. So that's how you'll be able to change your profile. Now, we want to go into the courses that you have registered for. Like I mentioned with the menu when we started, there is a link where it says My Courses. When you click that link, it will take you to all the courses that you have registered. They will be displayed here. And next to those courses, on the left-hand side, there will be some documents that you are able to download. Please go into download those pictures. You'll see them later. But I want to go into the course that I'm going to demonstrate in. So this will be your courses. And to go into any of your courses, you can click where it says enter this course, or click the name of that course, or click the block on top of that name of that course. It will allow you to go inside that course. Now we are inside the course or that module that you have registered for. Immediately when you go inside, you will always find general information. Under the general information, we have uploaded some manuals, step-by-step manuals that will assist you to navigate the learning portal. Some of the things that I'm demonstrating right now and some of the things that Mr. Kilibupila will demonstrate are in these manuals, step by step. So please go into those and download. You remember that assessment cover page? again is here for the assignment. It's almost the same thing, different names. When you scroll down, there's just more information that at the bottom, information documents for our tutors. Just keep them, but I want to show you now going down. There is modules. On the module, you are going to, inside the module, you are going to find, mostly you might find the document module or booklet, depending how that module has been designed. They have been designed differently, but this is the standard way. When you go down, you'll see if you have assignments, you'll see if we have forums, you'll see if we have quizzes. And just before you go in any of those, you will see, even at the bottom, you'll see that there's a number that has been put next to activity. It's the number of activities that already have been uploaded in there. If it's just one, that means just one activity. So to go into any of these shells, I'll just go into the first one, which is the module booklet. I'll click it. When I click it, it will open up, and there's a module booklet in there, which is a PDF. You'll click it, and it will download straight to your device. While you are in here, you are able to see where you are all the time, the navigation. If you look at the top, it says My Courses and the name of the module, and it shows booklet. Basically, what it's saying, that is the navigation. It shows you where you are. You are under My Courses. Under My Courses, you have opened your module called this, and in that module, you have opened an area which is called module booklet. And when you go to the bottom again, this is part of navigation again. You can go to the next part by clicking just next session. It will take you to the next session. If you want to go to the previous session, you can do that. But if you want to go to other areas, maybe to the main course where we started, when you click on that name, it will take you back into the main area. Again, on the left-hand side, we still have again the navigation that you can use on that area. This navigation also will have what you are currently in, which is this course, and it will list all the other courses that you are enrolled in, and you can navigate through all these areas to go into different courses.